Yorktown Battle of the Boats is here. Sing the anthem and say the prayer. Captain, start your engines and turn them loose from the pier. Head on out and warm them up during the parade. Gentlemen, get ready, it's time to go racing. Pull to the line and he's off in a slow roll. Green flag drops, hammer down, get her on top. Black smoke rolling, white spray all the way. Don't stop till the checker flag drops. Crowd is rocking, hollering, arms in the air. Videos and cameras snapping pics to share. See him on the front page everywhere. That was a tight one, but it was fair. Time for the next heat, looking to see who you need to beat. Till you make it go in the cabin and sit in the seat. Hold that bow down, can be quite a feat. Keep her in the glide, get her to slide. Sitting on top, give her another 100 and don't stop till you see the checkers drop. Crowd is rocking, hollering, arms in the air. Videos and cameras snapping pics to share. See them on the front page everywhere. That was a tight one, but it was fair. Yorktown Battle of the Boats, have no fear. If they get a jump, you better run them down. No letting up, she's toting the mail. She's one beautiful boat, the way she sails. One proud captain, making it happen. Crowd is rocking, hollering, arms in the air. Videos and cameras snapping pics to share. See them on the front page everywhere. That was a tight one, but it was fair. King of the Bay, that's what I say. Come up here, Captain, and get your pay. You can wear it proudly for another day. Next year's coming, make sure you're ready. Bragging rights for sure. It came at a price, but that trophy looked nice. Congratulations on your win. Next year we're gonna do it again. Yorktown Battle of the Boats. Racing on Saturday, docking on Sunday. Come on out and have a blast. Crowd is rocking, hollering, arms in the air. Videos and cameras snapping pics to share.